Look at the snow. We're gonna get some chicken towers. Snow in Kyoto. I'm taking Jason out to explore, and it's snowing again.
Wow, I've never seen the snow.
Snowing again. Whoa, look at that.
It's actually snowing.
The snow. It's snowing again! We're gonna get some chicken towers. Look at these flowers! I said, be careful, there's more stairs. Stairs we go. It's busy, guys. Already got run into a couple times.
How many confirm? Just
Number 7.
I didn't realize.
Just wanted to get the snow. You can see. She's outside right now.
Maybe just walk up to the window.
Lots of tea houses. Look how cute. We're heading on to Kyoto Station. Bye bye Kyoto. On to Tokyo. Hello, so well, just me. Jason's waiting at the station. I am heading to the Uniqlo across the station to donate this bag of clothes, because the Uniqlo at the station doesn't have a donation bin, so it's the stuff we didn't want to bring. Anyway, it's snowy and our trains are delayed, so I figured we're gonna donate this and then figure out, I guess, grab some food while we wait for our train. I don't know how delayed our train is, but I just know that most of the trains leaving Kyoto Station, especially the Shinkansens, are delayed because of snow. But it looks like it's slowing down a bit, maybe. I don't know. But at least I can walk in the snow for a while. So that's what I'm up to. Wish me luck, and I can donate this bag. So I'm heading to the bookstore real quick to see if I can find a key stamp book. I donated the clothes. Sadly, I couldn't find what Jason wanted at IKEA. But I'm gonna make a quick pit stop at the bookstore and then head back to the station because we still have to get food and figure out how delayed our train is. So that's the plan. So I bought 2 stamp books and now I'm headed to the station and go find Jason and then get situated for our trip to Tokyo. It smells so good in here. This is the Kinetsu Mall that's connected to the station. There's a bookstore at the station. So we got our Starbucks and Jason's waiting there for our drinks. And now I'm just looking for a bento since we haven't had anything to eat yet. So we'll look for a bento and have it on the train. I think I walked into the wrong place. Yeah, this all looks like confectionaries. Yep. Okay, I think the bento was at the other side. Let me check a couple more. I like the bento in the first place, so we're gonna go back. Room tour. There's a bed. There's a desk. The sink. And oh, our bathroom is quite nice. And we got a washing machine. And I'm assuming this is the shower. Oh. Okay. I mean, that's nice. For how small this is, it's so nice.
It's weird because yesterday.
Yeah.
So yes.
Do we have permission? Yeah. His face was so red even here.
Oh no.